Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix issue email not or should not be changed while migration in all-in-one WP migration plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using all-in-one WP migration plugin. We export file and then import in another domain, but you see email address change. Back to original. Now you see email address not changed, but on another website while migrating email address change. So we are going to fix it. So we export file and then import, but our email address is changed. Now go to original website and we are using all-in-one WP migration plugin. So we are in export section. Now you see advanced option. So click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see do not replace email domain SQL, and then you can export file and then import into another website and your email address will not be changed. Now you see export site too, so click on it and then click on file. Now you see prepare to export, so you can download this file and then import into another website and your issue will be fixed. Now just check this value, do not replace email domain. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.